Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make audio sound muffled in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application loads, you'll see your audio waveform displayed on the timeline. To begin working with your audio, double-click directly on the waveform. This action will select the entire audio track, highlighting it so you can apply effects to the whole file at once. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar of the Audacity window. Look for and click on the Effect option in the menu bar. This will open a drop-down menu with various audio processing tools. From here, hover your mouse over the EQ and Filters section. This category contains all the equalization and filtering effects available in Audacity. Once the submenu appears, click on Low Pass Filter. This filter is specifically designed to allow lower frequencies to pass through while reducing higher frequencies, which creates that muffled sound effect you're looking for. After selecting the low-pass filter, a new window will open with several customizable settings. The first parameter you'll see is frequency hertz. Click on the text field right beside it to enter your desired value. This is where you control how muffled your audio will sound. If you set it to 4000 Hz, you'll get a slightly muffled effect that still retains some clarity. For a more noticeable muffling, enter 2000 Hz. If you want the audio to sound very muffled, type in 1000 Hz. And for an extremely muffled, telephone-like quality, go down to 500 Hz. Each of these settings progressively reduces more of the higher frequencies, creating a darker, more distant sound. Below the frequency setting, you'll notice another important parameter called roll-off dB per octave. Click the drop-down menu right beside it to reveal your options. This setting determines how quickly the filter cuts off the frequencies above your chosen threshold. For a moderately muffled sound, select 6 dB. If you prefer a gentle muffling effect, choose 12 dB. For a stronger muffled effect, go with 24 dB. Select 36 dB if you want a strongly muffled result and choose 48 dB for a very strong, dark muffled effect. The higher the value, the more aggressive the filter becomes. Before finalizing your changes, it's a good idea to test how everything sounds. Click the preview button at the bottom of the filter window. This lets you hear a short sample of your audio with the current settings applied. If it doesn't sound quite right, feel free to adjust both the frequency and roll-off values until you achieve the exact muffled tone you're going for. Once you're satisfied with how it sounds, click the Apply button. Audacity will process your audio and permanently apply the muffling effect to your track. And that's it. You've successfully created a muffled audio effect in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.